So they're talking about removing Article 8, Article 8 being the Human Rights Act. And if any of you have ever used the Human Rights Act, you're going to know exactly what you're losing. Let me give you an example. I used it when I married. My husband wasn't from the UK and we had a child, and they decided the best action was for him to go back to Pakistan and to apply from Pakistan. That's what the Home Office said. And I'm now thinking that's going to leave me in the UK on my own with a child. And how unfair is it that I would have to go through that kind of emotional trauma, as well as my child not being able to be with his father for however long they decide to process his application. And so I wrote to the Home Office myself and I said, this is so unfair. It is. And then I did quote like human right, as in I didn't know the act, but I did quote human right because I was like, I have a right to my life. I have a right to choose and be and decide and express. Well, when they take the Human Rights Act out, darlings, that's what you're going to lose. Your right to choose, your right to even claim that you are experiencing emotional trauma on anything, because it's a human right. And that is what they want to take away from you in law in the UK. So don't let this one slip.